there, we're out here on this beautiful winter day at Peralta Regional Park. We've got our photo group coming out and we brought our trailer to spend the night as well.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be down in the 40s tonight, so it's going to be a little bit cooler. We're doing the first time with a diesel heater, so hopefully that'll work out for us, keep us nice and warm.
Yeah, but before we get to sleep in the cold night with our new diesel heater, we've got our photo group coming out here for an appreciation hot dog roast. We're gonna roast some hot dogs, we're gonna take a little photo hike, and hopefully plan some really great events for this upcoming year. We're so excited for our adventures, and we want our friends to come along and kind of tell us what they'd like to see this year as well.
Yeah, we got a pretty good sized group coming out today, so it'll be a lot of fun to start a fire, enjoy the desert night, and maybe even do some star pictures.
Yeah, for sure. We're super excited about it. But let's have Warren show us what he's done to the trailer.
Yeah, come on, let me show you what we've updated. All right, so the first thing that Mary and I really changed on the trailer is we put Munster liner on the exterior. We wanted it to match the black and white themes that we have on our Jeeps, so we thought our trailer needed to have the same color scheme for that. One thing, if you remember, we had a pretty big trail rash right here. What I did was my first time with filler, just kind of wanted to make it better. I know it would never be perfect, and I'm not an expert in body work, so what I did was just multiple layers of filler, sanded it down, tried to shape it better before we put the Munster liner, bed liner on it to make it more robust and tough here. So out on the trail, that was one of the things we've done, and it was actually quite a bit of work. So I had to tear it all down, fill it, sand it, and then put the Munster liner on it. So it was quite a project, but I think it's looking pretty good for an amateur job. So the next addition that we put on the trailer is this diesel heater. And when I found out Mary and I were planning to come out here and it's going to be about 40 tonight, we've got desert blood, so it's pretty cold for us. I decided we wanted to try one of these diesel heaters out. How I picked the brand, I went crazy on YouTube trying to find out what was the best heater, what to do, and it came down to that Amazon could get this to us quick enough that we could use it here today. So we're going to give it a try and see how it works. Also through Amazon, I got a tire step. So this is a foldable tire step that they sell, and I modified it for a little table so the heater can sit here and produce heat for us and pump it right into the tent. It's also nice that the control panel actually fits in the tent as well, so we can control it from up there. So we'll see how it works tonight.
So we're gonna go ahead and start walking. As we walk towards the trailhead, it's a little bit of a walk up the street here. Onward and yep. Making sure that Michael got up here with us. How you doing?
Doing good.
Good. Beautiful day, huh?
It's gorgeous. I'm glad the group could come out and enjoy it with us.
Absolutely. wonderful night with our community photo group. We had a wonderful turnout and we got some good ideas for events going into 2024, so we can't wait to plan those.
Yeah, I can't thank everyone enough for coming out and making it a great cookout, hiking, photo event that we had. It was so much fun to see everybody catch up, sit around the fire and talk, and like Mary said, plan for this coming year. We've got some great things, maybe some local things, some farther out things that are going to be a lot of fun to take our photographer friends on.
Yeah, so we'll share some of the pictures that we captured with you guys, and as a reminder, you can purchase our prints at 411craft.com with proceeds going to charity. But you want to tell them how the heater did?
Oh, the heater did great. We had a little startup problems getting it started up again, but once it started, it ran all night. One battery wouldn't run it, so another battery had to run it, and it actually lasted all night. And by morning, had to shut it off. It was too hot up there, so it was a good thing to have. I'm glad we had it, and I'm glad it worked out.
Yeah, absolutely. It was a toasty night in the warm tent when it was, 40 degrees, maybe dipped into the 30s last night.
Definitely. So, speaking of events, if you're not on our Facebook page, come out and check us out. You can follow our events that we're going to be posting and join our group. We'd love to have you out here as a photographer.
Yeah, the link should be in the description. If you can't find us, put a comment down below. And if you have any ideas for great photo outings in the Arizona area or a little beyond, let us know in the comments as well. So until next time, get out there, explore,
Create,
and do good. Bye.